Alright guys, okay. This is the vanity I'm actually going to be using. This is the design. If you notice, it have the cutout there for the plumbing. The plumbing setup. This is how it looking. So this is the same one, but the only thing, the size is different. So this is a 30 inch and this one is a 24. So this is the one I'm going to be taking today. All right guys, so we in the aisle now and we're looking for faucet for the vanity. All different type. There's brushed nickel, you have chrome, and you also have the black. You also have this almost look brass. It's all different color, but we're choosing brushed nickel. And also there's vanity that takes 3 holes. This is basically a setup that 3 connect together, and there's some of them that you have to have 3 separate holes, just like this one. You got to have this separate in its own hole, this separate in its own hole. So you have to know the difference, and some of them set up like that, all of them on one base, but some of them is separate. So we actually gonna be choosing one of them today. All right, so this is the faucet. This is how you install the faucet. This is the faucet right here, and this is the tool that you connect down inside it. I'm going to show you the force. Let's connect the faucet. See, it has this and the gas. We come under the vanity. This is the top right there. You might be able to see, but you got to connect it from the bottom. You want to make sure that you tighten it really good. The next one again. You want to make sure you tighten it. You put it on straight because you don't want it to go straight at all. Wrap up really good, man. So now, as you notice, it's very tight, it's not moving. It's good, so it's on on. Okay. Now, I also got to do some adjustment, but leave that right there. This goes on. And this washer comes on from the bottom, and then you tighten it with this. So that's it, you go down. This is the backsplash, and this washer force, this is to make sure that no water leaks at all. You know, you tighten this really good. Handles, yeah. You got to tighten it good because you want to make sure that no leaks. Oh, okay, then black, beautiful, all right. Cool. Okay. So this is right here, you press it down to keep the water from coming out, and you release it. Okay, we also have, this is what we call the water line, which gonna connect from the water source, and then this gonna connect to the faucet. So this part gonna connect to the turner valve this part gonna connect to the faucet. But really you need some of the tape. Let me see if I have any. Okay. It's really good to use these tapes because these tapes are trying to rush, or these tapes kind of prevent leaks. Okay, so you might be able to see, but I'm gonna wrap it around, give it a little, wrap it around a little, just once you get a little area. And then the biggest part, you cut the kit right there. I'm not seeing up there, so it's kind of difficult, but so basically this is the connection. I'm just showing you, I'm going to be doing the same thing with the tape, but I'm just showing you. This is the connection right here, so and you got to make sure you tighten them, or you don't want no water leak. So now this is going to be collecting to the water valve, which is right here. These are what you call water valve. This is water valve. Okay. Alright, so I'm just setting it up and then I'm gonna leave it. I still gotta do some painting, still gotta fix the floor. But this is how you set up the vanity. Nice and easy. Okay, pretty stylish. And this is the handle right here. So you got to screw off the handle here and turn it around. Alright, same thing you got to do here. You screw out the and turn it around. Alright. Soft close. Everything is in already. So now these are the two lines that connect to the water valve and everything is set.